Ariel. These last few years have been amazing. I can't wait to spend forever together. I can't promise to be perfect, but I can promise to be faithful, honest, and a loving husband. I will always put you first, even over my car and football season. I will always follow the advice your father gave me the day I asked him for permission to marry you. I will never go to sleep mad or angry at each other. I will always respect you, admire you, and appreciate you. And last but not least, I promise to show you every single day that I know exactly how lucky I am to have you in my life. I love you, sweetie, forever and a day.
Tyler, you've been my best friend for going on 5 years. I have loved you from our first date when we ate Mexican and Dairy Queen. I knew at that time you would become my best friend. From today forward, I promise to love you unconditionally, even through the car parts and many guns that you may buy. I promise to stand by your biggest victories and defeats that we will come across. I promise to never let our spark fade and to always fall asleep watching football games with you. You are the love of my life, and I promise to love, respect, and cherish you for the rest of our days. I love you forever and a day.
Marriage is one of the oldest institutions started by God Himself. Tyler, after today, you're going to learn some more definitions of words. Patience, happiness. It takes both of you. Tenderness, thoughtfulness, kindness. This is what makes a marriage. Wilt thou have this woman to be thy wedded wife, to live together in holy estate of matrimony? Wilt thou love her, comfort her, honor, keep her in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, keep thee only unto her, so long as you both shall live? If there's anybody would have any type of legal information for this couple to be married, you may speak at this moment to face these guys.
If I simply want to trace you, to feel your color on my hands, and if I simply can't erase you, from all my simple future plans. And if I always want to call you, to hear the softness in your voice, well, I just simply want to love you, and simply feel I lack a choice. I know that you feel this, and you simply are the same. It doesn't have to be complicated. It's as simple as me and you. Love's a symphony already orchestrated. We can sing along when we say I do. If we simply start a family,
Joining hands and giving and receiving rings, I pronounce that they are husband and wife together in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Ghost. Tyler, get ready, big boy, because you're about ready to kiss your bride. You may kiss her. Woo! Wow! Ariel still got the whammy, don't she? Knocked his hat off. Would you stand to your feet? At this time, I want to introduce to you Tyler and Ariel Lester. Give them a good hand clap. All right.
Shitty car, but we hit the road. Doesn't matter where we go and destination unknown. I don't care where the motor stops, 'cause when I want it, then I want it. Yeah, I want it, oh I want it, let's go. Look around, where's the people at? I want a taste of the good